Hello, welcome to the Computer Programming for Engineer course. My name is Sungjae Hwang. I'm an instructor of this course. I just joined the Seongyungan University starting from this semester as an assistant professor. In this course, we will study C++ programming language. I'm very excited about this course. This is my first course at Seongyungan University, and even though this course is for the first year students, I believe this course is very important to all students to become a good software engineers or computer scientists because C++ is so popular. It is used in everywhere. If you join the big companies such as Samsung or LG, you will use C++ to develop software adapted in various kinds of embedded systems such as smartphones, smart TV, automotive, and so on. And if you decide to go to graduate school for your master and PhD degree, it may depend on your research area, but it is highly likely that you will be using C++, or at least you have to read and understand C++ source codes written by other people. So this course is very important to you, and hopefully you will get a lot from this course. So let's begin. As I already introduced myself, my name is Sungjae Hwang, and I'm an instructor of this course. There will be TAs. TAs will help you doing program exercise. I will announce the TA information soon. I believe the best approach to running new programming language and improving programming skills is to actually do a lot of codings and solving a lot of programming exercises. So in this course, I will teach theory part, the C++ syntax, features and concepts of object-oriented programming on Monday. I will try to do the live stream because I would like to interact with students a lot, but it depends on the situations. For example, if Monday is holiday, I might just upload the video clips and you will watch these videos at any convenience time. And on Wednesday, you will have lab sessions. In this lab session, you will do the coding and practice the C++ features, the syntax that you have learned on Monday. And because of the COVID-19 situations, we will have a lab session on using lab session online using a Zoom platform. And this is my email address. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, I'm a new professor. I'm not familiar with Seongyungan University yet, so if I do something wrong, please feel free to correct me. You can give me any suggestions. You're free to do that. And when you send me an email, please include this keyword 공컴41 or CP41, otherwise your email may possibly ignored by me. And office hour for this course is Wednesday during the lab sessions. TAs will be there opening with WebEx. You can ask any question relating to this course and C++. I might be there as well. If you want to have a meeting with me at other time relating to this course or other issues, please send me an email. I'm open to you. I'm very happy to talk with students, so drop me an email. Throughout this course, I will use English. Most of the lectures will be given in English, but some important concepts I will use both English and Korean. I will first explain in English and then explain in Korean again. And at the end of the lectures, I might summarize the lectures in Korean for about 5 minutes. So this is the course summary. This course introduces C++ programming language. This course will cover important concepts of C++ language, such as features, function, classes, constructors, as well as the concepts of object-oriented programming, such as inheritance, overload, and advanced C++ features, such as template and standard template libraries will also cover throughout this course. So at the end of this course, I really hope that you get familiar with C++ programming language and hope that your programming skills have improved. The prerequisites of this course, I am expecting that you have already taken C programming language course. So I will teach the C++, having in mind that you already know the syntax of C programming language. If you have not taken C programming language course before, please let me know by sending me an email. I will give you some extra materials relating to C programming language that you can study about it. All right, the textbook. This is the textbook used in this course. The title of the book is Absolute C++, 6 editions. Each of the topic we'll talk about, each of the topic we talk in the lectures. I will post relevant chapter in the book so that you can study more about in your own time after the lectures. But it is not required. You don't have to have this book. The concept of C++ that we are going to study are well known, so you can study with the lecture slides I shared with you. And if you want to study more about specific topics, you can Google it. You can find a lot of information on the web. Search information on the web is one key skills that the programmer should have. So practice in finding information from the web, even you have this textbook. And if you have other C++ books, I'm sure that that book also explains about the topics, the concept that we are studying in this lecture. So probably you will not have any trouble studying C++ using that book. The main aim of this course is to make you good programmers. So who is a programmer? As the name indicates, programmer knows programming languages. Programmers have ability to read and understand other source codes and able to modify other source code for their own needs, and also have ability to write their own source code from the scratch. And more importantly, they should able to think in logical ways and analyze the partitioning problems to solve the problem efficiently. To be a good programmer, you need to practice a lot. As I explained earlier, it is not enough to learn the concept of C++ programming language. Even you fully have understood the syntax of C++ language, if you do not practice them, I'm sure that you cannot develop the programs using C++ language. So training is very important. That is the reason why we are going to have several lab sessions on Wednesday. The evaluations, exam 40%, midterm 20%, and final 20%. In lab session 20%, you need to solve programming exercise, and we will use Guru platform for that. These programming exercises are good in reinforcing, reviewing, and understanding the C++ syntax and concepts we learned on Monday. And there will be 3 programming assignments and 30% for them. And the attitude is 10%. For lab sessions, There will be 11 weekly assignments. Weekly assignments are about practicing your programming skills. There will be programming exercise and TAs will be there to help you doing the weekly assignments. So you don't need to worry about doing weekly assignments. We will help you doing them. And depends on the progress, the speed of the lectures on Monday, the number of weekly assignments can be reduced. But at the moment, we are going to have 11 weekly assignments. And to get a point, obviously, you have to submit the solution through Group. The deadline for the weekly assignments is 12 p.m. on the same week's Friday. If you miss the deadline, you do not have a chance to submit them. If you submit only a subset of the problems or submit wrong answers, you cannot get a credit. So if you are late, you will not get any points. And if you submit only subset of the problems or submit the wrong answer, you will not get any points. There will be no partial points for this lab exercise. And there will be 3 programming assignments, 3 PAs. Every PA will be announced using iCampus. You are welcome in asking about the PA's specifications, but TAs will not help you doing the programming assignments. TAs are here for helping you doing the weekly assignments. There will be delay penalties, and that will be explained in the PA specifications. Normally, you will have 2 more days for submitting solution and 25% delay penalty for each day. And importantly, you must submit the runnable programs. If your programs are not runnable, you will get 0 points. And there will be no partial point for not running programs. But if you submit the runnable programs, then you can have a partial point. So please submit the runnable programs for your programming assignments. For attendance, I will check iCampus attendance on every Monday, and it's 10%. So this is the schedule of the course. On every Mondays, I will give lectures on C++ concepts, theories, and syntax. And on every Wednesday, you will have lab sessions. The first programming assignments will be announced on week 5, second one on week 9, and the last one on week 13. And as you can see that it is holiday on week 4, so there will be no lab session on this week. So there is no lab session on week 4, but I will upload the video clips so that you can watch them in any convenience your time. The week 6 Monday and week 7 Mondays are also holidays, so there's no class on these days, but I will upload the video clips. So please watch the videos before Wednesday so that you can do the programming exercise in lab session on Wednesday. And there will be midterm exam on week 8 and final exam on week 15. Very important one, the cheating is strongly forbidden. Cheating means copying or retyping other students' work. Outsourcing assignment is also cheating, and submitting copies of others are also cheating as well. So all assignments should be written individually. You can discuss high-level ideas of solving assignments with your friends, but you should do programming by yourself. And I will actively check for plagiarism. We have an automated system that computes the similarities between the submitted materials, so please do not cheat. It is better not to submit the assignments because if you cheat, you will get F grades.